Yes, myself Shruti Ashok from RJ Bare Public School, Halkett B. Now I am explaining about topic bases. So first we have to know that what is base. Base is a substance in that which has OH minus concentration. So which substance has the OH minus concentration, we can decide that whether it is acid or base. Now we will study about the physical properties of bases. So physical properties of bases. It has three states. First, bitter in taste, soft to touch, change red litmus paper to blue. Physical properties of bases means this can be seen by our naked eyes. It is bitter in taste, soft to touch, change red litmus paper into blue. Now we will study about chemical properties of bases. In physical properties of bases there are three types, but in chemical properties of bases there are two types. First, reaction with metal. Second, reaction with non-metallic oxides. There are two types. First, reaction with metal, and next reaction with non-metallic oxides. Now we will study about first reaction with metal. So this is first reaction with metal. Base plus metal, which gives salt plus hydrogen. Example, 2NaOH plus Zn, which gives Na2ZnO2 plus H2. So base is NaOH and metal is zinc, which gives salt and hydrogen gas. Next, reaction with non-metallic oxides. In this reaction, base plus non-metallic oxide, which gives salt plus water. So here base is example CaOH2 plus non-metallic oxide CO2, which gives CaCO3 plus H2O. We can say that when acid react with base, it also gives salt and water. In base plus non-metallic oxide, that also gives salt plus water, because non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature and metallic oxides are basic in nature. If a base react with non-metallic oxide, means that base reacts with acid, so it will give salt plus water. Now we will study about pH scale. As pH means potence, in German pH means power. So we will study as it is neutral. We can say that 7 to 14 is basic in nature because it has OH minus concentration more. And here it will decrease H plus ions, it will decrease, and OH minus concentration will increase. So as we know that 8 is less basic and 14 is more basic, because it has more OH minus 14 and 8 has less OH minus concentration. Now we will study about pH in our daily life. First, especially pH sensitive of plants and animals, especially humans can live in pH 7.0 to 7.8, which is neutral. If the pH is less than 7, then the human not survive. If the pH is 7.8, then also the humans will not survive. If the acid rain is 5.5, it can harm the humans. If it when the rain comes, that it will reach to a lake, no, like that. If acid rain, it will fall on the ground, it will mix with river, it will then the river is also get acid. So the in river the aquatic animals will also live, they also not survive. pH of soil. pH of soil, it means the pH of soil should be a neutral. If the pH of soil is less than 7, then the crop fail. If the pH of soil is more than 7, then also crop fail, because if the pH is less than 7 means it is acid. If the pH is more than 7 means it is basic. So if the acid is also there, then also crop fail. If the more base also base is there, then also crop fails. pH in our digestive system. As we know that the HCl acid which will help in our digestive system to digest the food. If the food is indigest, then the stomach produce more HCl acid. It will give pain and irritations to our stomach. So at that time we should use antacid, which is magnesium hydroxide, which is mild base, which stop our pains and irritations in our stomach. So I have to use mild base. pH in our tooth decay. As our tooth is only a strong substance in our body, so it will get decay when the pH of tooth is 5.5. If how it get the tooth decay means, if we eat a night and the germs present in our mouth will decay the leftover food what we eat at night. So the tooth decay will happen. For this we should use mild base to stop this, that is tooth which are in basic in nature, to neutralize the tooth decay. As last one is if we stung with honey bee, then it will inject a methonic acid. So to stop we have to use a base is baking soda to stop the pain and irritations. Thank you.